We specialize in OEM customization of DLP projectors. Your brand vision starts here and becomes reality with us. It starts with your idea and comes to life with our design. We bring it to life through precise electronic and structural planning. We use high-precision molds and premium materials to create housings that are both protective and aesthetically refined. Intelligent software defines a unique and seamless user experience. We select premium core components to ensure outstanding performance and long-term reliability from the source. In a temperature-controlled clean room, our experienced engineers and automated systems work together, carry out precise modular assembly. Strict adherence to standards is maintained at every step to meticulously assemble your vision into a precise reality. Every key performance metric, including brightness, color uniformity, focusing accuracy, and more, all undergo strict darkroom testing and per-unit calibration to meet design standards. Each unit undergoes extended full-power aging tests, simulating real-world use to eliminate early failures and ensure stability. A final, comprehensive inspection completes a quality cycle. It's our unwavering commitment to excellence and your trust. Before entering the protection of customized packaging materials, every device undergoes a thorough cleaning process to ensure it shines like new. Then, it's securely nestled in tailored protective materials, our final promise of a perfect delivery. Our smart warehouse and digital management ensure clear inventory and flexible logistics for on-time, accurate delivery. Shengsheng Toumei Technology Co., Limited, your trusted OEM partner for professional DLP projectors.